Alright, you guys, we're back again another day. Today we're gonna be trying to finish at least the timing job and at the F-150 on my truck, the personal truck, the white one. Yeah, I already get hit up and I was not recording, sorry for that, but I already get everything out. And this belt cover is out. This one I only get the 2 bolt and pull the timing cover out to make it quicker, because on this side I need to pull bolts at top and I have this pipe in the way. It's a little bit rust in the bottom. I don't want to keep messing with it and need to replace the header. But yeah, I'm gonna pull all the bolts in a little bit and trying to put this puppy in time. Probably I'm gonna smash the cover back in and put the harmonic balancer up front, trying to put it where it say TDC, top the center. All right, and then trying to replace the timing the timing chain, because if you can see right here, the timing chain already get to the piece of metal on the bottom and already eat it. Like in this side right here, that is already missing a chunk of it. Okay, and even you can see the chain right here, it was already touching the tensioner. I think so. If it's not a piece of metal, it was starting to come out. The tensioner is already eat, and then this chain right here, it was so loose when the truck it was running. Then the timing cover is marked. You can see it right here. Okay, these 2 marks, it was the chain. Sometime when it was loose and vibrating, sometime it hit there. I mean, that's what I figured, because Alright, you guys, everything looks pretty good, everything looks fine. Todito se ve súper bien, están en las marcas. Ok, vamos a chequear rapidito ahora. Voy a enseñarles rápido cómo todito se ve. Ok, mira cómo se ve ahora. Ok, se ve la cadena por debajo. now. The chain don't look going through the bottom of the tensioner, right? Everything looks pretty good. Everything looks fine. All right, about like on that side, everything looks back in place. Down on the bottom right here is in the mark, right? Everything looks pretty good. Ahorita se ve súper bien, las cadenas están en su marca. Vamos a chequear algo rapidito antes que sigamos empujando por ahí para abajo. Ya no nos falta mucho aquí. Yo creo que ya esto va a ser casi all caught up. Everything is gonna be caught up, I think, for now. I need to cover now. I'm gonna clean a little bit. I'm not gonna record that. Only clean the silicone right here. When all the gasket comes out, throw back in it. But yeah, you guys, it's already in time. It's all good. Now the chain look a lot more stiff. The truck gonna get a little bit more power. All right. I was double guessing the power of the truck the first time that I got it, and when I was gonna park it on, and it was started acting weird, but I know why now. But yeah, okay. But yeah, I'm gonna get it running for you guys. You see. Oh yeah, I forget to mention, I buy a brand new battery, right? Walmart special, brand new battery, brand new unit, 121. All right. Yeah, this puppy is running really good. I put coolant, green coolant. All right, 2 gallons of coolant. Okay, let's see how this puppy works. How this puppy. Okay, let's see. Oh, oh. All right, calm down, not for now. Okay, let's go. Let's see how this baby go. Back again. Right, oil pressure, good shape. I already have it running for a while, early today. That's why I have a little bit of heat. Okay, the AC is working, idle is good, everything looks okay. Radio's working fine, engine is running quite good. All right, I have to still fix a couple stuff, but I'm gonna try to finish it tomorrow. I want to have this baby running tomorrow, drive it around the block. But yeah, for now that's what we have. Gonna try wake up early tomorrow, you guys. Try to finish this baby. This is my daily, this is my baby. Yeah, thank you guys, and let's keep pushing, let's keep going. You can even not gonna hear it. You only hear the fan. All right, we did something right here, mounted with the factory bolt in this side and the bracket in the bottom, and then zip tied it right here. All right, and it worked pretty good. Look, it's pushing a lot of air out. All right, most of it, everything is back on. And the engine bay, we don't have much to do. Okay, only the spark plug and doing a brake flush down the road. But that's I'm gonna do that in the shop when I bring it there. And I already have the tag. I don't have the tag yet. I drive it around the block, but I don't have a tag. I don't want to risk myself and then lost the truck. But yeah, I did a couple of stuff today, like mount the bracket for the power steering pump that it was hanging yesterday. All right, it's back in place. Okay, I need to clean the engine bay with a pressure washer, but I'm gonna do that when I'm at work. That I have the pressure washer, I can clean all that. It's gonna look a lot better. I cleaned the truck in the upside. I still need to do the inside. I still have the mess, pick up all this stuff. All right, but we're good to go. And then we have a massive AC. All right, the AC is badass in this truck. That's one of the stuff that I most like of this truck, the AC. But yeah, you guys, I already cleaned the door compartment. Like, it's looking a lot better. It was almost green, the whole truck. But yeah, it's up and going. All right, and yeah, this is my baby. This is gonna be my daily back again, like I just said before. And yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you for everybody watching, subscribe, all the comment, all the good love. That's gonna be it. We have the baby running back again. All right, we're gonna start using like a daily soon. We're still dealing with something that we found the brakes. Thank you for the caliper freeze out. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you everybody. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell your mama, your uncle, your dog, your aunt, everybody we're here in YouTube. Let him know. Don't lose it. Keep it going. Keep in touch with us. That you don't lose anything that we have coming. All right. We're gonna get the Civic back up again. I'm doing some head job, pouring and polish to one of my friends, Richard. I'm gonna make his car turbo. All right. We have something going on in there. Thank you for everybody. Like, subscribe, comment. Love you guys.